I see.
Can I see it?
Oh, this? You're so self-conscious these days. Are you in there? Can you see you?
Where is?
There's nobody there, is there? Where's Ronan gone? Try standing in front of it. I think that worked.
Yeah.
Come and have a look. No, I can't see him again. Go stand in front of it. A little bit further. Huh? I can see him now. Where's he gone?
We had just wait for him a little bit more.
We need to wait for him a little bit more? I don't think so. I think that's a little bit like Owl being upstairs or downstairs and trying to find himself in each of those places. It could go like that, and my guess is that Ronan will be there right now. Well, Ronan's not there, but who is?
Daddy.
Ah, but now I can see. Oh, and he's gone. Okay, I think we're going to stop.